Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use SmartrMail to create and manage email marketing campaigns. We'll cover everything from setting up your account, creating email lists, designing emails, and setting up automated email flows. This tutorial is designed for beginners, so I'll guide you through each step in detail. Let's get started. First, if you don't already have a SmartrMail account, you can sign up for one using the link in the description. If you already have an account, log in and you'll be taken to the dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll see a quick overview of your account, including recent activity and statistics. To get started, let's create an email list. Click on Profile and then Profile Lists in the left-hand menu. Then, click on the Create List button. Name your list something descriptive like Newsletter Subscribers or Customer List. Click Create to save your new list. Next, let's add some subscribers to your list. You can do this manually or by importing a file. If you have a list of subscribers in a CSV file, you can import it by clicking on Import and following the prompts to upload your file. Now that we have our list set up, let's create our first newsletter. Click on Newsletter in the left-hand menu, then click on New Newsletter. You'll be prompted to choose a template. SmartrMail offers different types of templates. You can also paste your custom HTML code here. For this tutorial, we'll choose a pre-made template. Enter a name for your campaign. This is for your reference only and won't be seen by your subscribers. Next, select the list you want to send this campaign to. You can choose multiple lists if you want to send the email to more than one group of subscribers. Now it's time to design your email. In the email editor, you can customize your email by adding and editing text, images, and other elements. Click on any element in the template to edit it. You can change the text, font, color, and other settings. To add new elements, use the toolbar on the left. You can choose from different elements like images, buttons, and dividers for your email. Let's start by editing the header. Click on the header text and change it to something relevant to your campaign, like Welcome to our newsletter. Now let's add some body text. Click on the text block and start typing your message. Keep your text clear and concise. You can use the formatting options to make the text bold, italic, or underlined, and to change the font and color. It's a good idea to include a call to action in your email, like Shop Now or Learn More. To do this, add a button element. Click on the button to edit the text and add a link. Once you're happy with your email design, click Save and Continue to move to the next step. Now that we've set up our first email campaign, let's set up an automated email flow. Automated email flows are a great way to send targeted emails based on subscriber behavior or other triggers. To create an automation, click on Automation in the left-hand menu, then click on New Automated Flow. You'll be prompted to choose a type of automation. For this tutorial, we'll create a welcome series for new subscribers. Select Welcome Series and click Next. Name your automation something descriptive like New Subscriber Welcome Series. You'll see a default welcome series set up with a few basic steps. The first step is usually a trigger, like when a new subscriber is added to the list. The next steps are the emails that will be sent as part of the series. You can customize these steps by clicking on them and editing the details. Let's start with the first email in the series. Click on the first email step to open the editor. This email should welcome new subscribers and introduce them to your brand. Use the same email editor we used for the campaign to design this email. Include a warm welcome message, some information about your brand, and a call to action. Once you're happy with the design, click Save and Continue. Next, we'll set up the timing for this email. You can choose to send it immediately after someone subscribes or after a delay. For a welcome email, it's best to send it immediately. Set the delay to 0 days and click Save. Now let's add another email to the series. Click on the Add Step button and select Email. This email can introduce your products or services. Design the email as we did before, highlighting some of your best products or services and including a call to action. Once you're happy with the design, click Save and Continue and set the delay. A good rule of thumb is to send this email a few days after the first one. Set the delay to 3 days and click Save. You can continue adding emails to your welcome series, each one providing more information or value to your subscribers. For example, the third email could include customer testimonials or reviews. The fourth email could offer a special discount, and so on. Remember to space out the emails so you don't overwhelm your subscribers. Once you've added all the emails you want in your welcome series, click Save and Activate to start the automation. Your new welcome series will now run automatically for every new subscriber. Next, let's take a look at how to analyze the performance of your email campaigns and automation. Click on Analytics in the left-hand menu to view detailed statistics about your emails. You'll see an overview of your campaigns and automation, including subscriber growth, work versus personal email, and other important metrics. Use this information to refine your email strategy and improve your results. You can also use SmartrMail's integrations to connect with other tools you use, such as your e-commerce platform, CRM, or social media accounts. This allows you to sync data between SmartrMail and your other tools, making it easier to manage your marketing efforts. To set up an integration, click on your profile name in the top right corner, then go to the Integrations section and choose the tool you want to connect. Follow the prompts to complete the setup. As you continue to use SmartrMail, you'll find more ways to optimize your email marketing strategy. Keep experimenting with different types of emails, subject lines, and designs to see what works best for your audience. Use the analytics and reports to track your progress and make data-driven decisions. And don't be afraid to try new features and integrations to enhance your marketing efforts. Now let's talk about the pricing plans of SmartrMail. SmartrMail offers several pricing options to accommodate different business sizes and email marketing requirements. Here's a detailed overview of the pricing plans as of 2024. You can always sign up for the free plan using the link in the description. SmartrMail offers two main pricing tiers: the Essential Plan and the Pro Plan. Each plan varies based on the number of subscribers, the features included, and the level of support provided. The Essential Plan is ideal for small businesses or those just starting with email marketing. This plan includes essential features such as email campaigns, automated flows, basic segmentation, and access to the email editor. The pricing for the Essential Plan starts at $14 per month. This plan also includes basic analytics to track your campaign performance. This plan also supports 12 emails per contact and email support. Next, the Pro Plan is for large businesses or those with very specific needs that require a customized solution. This plan includes all the features of the Essential Plan, plus 24 emails per contact, priority support, a dedicated account manager, Smart A/B testing, Smart Send frequency, and Smart Resend. The pricing for the Pro Plan starts at $99 per month. This plan is best suited for businesses with large subscriber lists or complex email marketing strategies that need a tailored approach. In addition to the main pricing plans, SmartrMail also offers a 15-day free trial for new users. This trial gives you access to all the features of the Pro Plan so you can test out the platform and see if it's the right fit for your business before committing to a paid plan. It's also worth noting that SmartrMail offers discounts for annual billing. If you choose to pay annually instead of monthly, you can save up to 30% on your subscription. This can be a great option if you're confident that you'll be using SmartrMail for the long term and want to save some money. That's it for this tutorial. Don't forget to click the link in the description to try SmartrMail for free.